Hey everyone, Chris here, the RC Geek. We're looking at a brand new model. This is PT-17 Stearman all-wood construction coming from Bitgo Hobby. It's in the market of kind of ARF plug and play. It came with servos installed. This was an early release model, so I'm not going to talk through the assembly in detail because I'm hopeful that some of the recommendations I made get into the final offering. But I'm liking the plug and play Balsa, the way that's going. So in terms of flying the airplane, it's a great flyer. It's really quite fun. I've got a 420 kV motor in the front, swinging a 1510 propeller with a 6S 5000 battery. Flies awesome. It builds into a nice sized model and the covering on it was really nicely done. Hasn't wrinkled up at all, which is really good. They've got it on here really tight. So in terms of the CG now, the CG is just slightly forward. It's about 25 millimeters forward of the rear top wing strut, and that equates to about 100 to 110 millimeters as measured from the top wing leading edge aft. And I did find that the airplane does want more of a forward CG, so do keep that in mind. I've got Spectrum 6S 5000, the Smart Pack, that's pushed all the way forward, plus I have 2 ounces of nose weight in that area as well. The cool thing is you've got a nice big hatch here to slide your batteries in. I've got a Spectrum AR 6610 receiver in there, and that's working fantastic. Now, for the controls, I have settled on high rates for the ailerons, mid rates for the elevator, and that equates to, for the ailerons, it's 100% travel, no expo at all. For the elevator, 80% travel with no expo, and then the rudder is 100% with no expo as well. And I'll put the control throws on the video. So let's take this out. We'll give you guys a flight, and we'll come back. We'll wrap this up. Full length of the runway. All right, so there we have the PT-17 from Dancing Wing Hobby. It's coming from Bitgo. Really nice model. It flies great, and so like I said, I'm liking the kind of plug and play balsa that's coming out. This particular model was a bit more work than I would say for plug and play, so it's kind of an ARF plug and play. It had the power system, it had the servos, but you did have to do some additional assembly, which you would expect given the complications from the biplane and the dual wings and all that. But really nice flying airplane, having a lot of fun with it. And so yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow along on social media at the RC Geek. Subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you at the field. Like the shirt, Doc Brown's Garage.
Love it.
Don't sound so thrilled. Great Scott! No, it's not a very good Doc Brown, is it? It's not my forte.